Okay, let's look at these three crisp flavours. We've got prawn cocktail, we've got cheese and onion, and we've got salt and vinegar. It says a quarter of the packet's a prawn cocktail, so that's the same as 25%, isn't it? So 25% of the packets are prawn cocktail. The probability of picking cheese and onion is 30%, so that means 30% of them are cheese and onion. Which means that salt and vinegar must be the difference between those two and 100. So 100 minus 25 minus 30 is 45%. And so that will be the answer, which we'll stick in our little answer box. And I think you need to write 45%. You could also write 45 over 100, or 0.45.